Did you know Windows keeps track of all your recent files and show them in File Explorer? If you are sharing your PC or just value your privacy, that can be a big problem. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off recent files in File Explorer so your activity stays private every time you use Windows. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, I welcome you. And please don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to set File Explorer to never show your recent files for privacy again, let me show you something quick, okay? So if I click on the File Explorer, and then you can see at my left pane I have my recent open applications or documents, okay? So if you are sharing your PC with a colleague or you are sharing your PC with someone, that will be a big problem. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off recent files in File Explorer, okay, in two approaches. I'm going to take you through the normal approach, and then I'll take you through the registry editor approach or the regedit approach, okay? So to go with the normal approach, we are going to click on the three dots, and then we click on options. Okay, so at the folder options, we are going to uncheck the show recent used files under the privacy, and then we uncheck show frequently used folders under the privacy, okay? And then we click on clear, and then we click on apply, and then okay. So now you see we've cleared all those recent files and folders we've launched, okay? So anytime you launched your File Explorer or anytime you open a recent or anytime you open any file or folders, it's not going to show in the recent files at the left pane, okay? So this is the normal approach to do that. Now I'm going to take you to the regedit approach or the registry approach. So to do that, I'm going to click on the search, then I'll type regedit.msc, okay? So now I'm going to run the registry with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. So I'm going to click on yes to allow these changes. So to do the changes in the regedit, we are going to go with the 8 key current user, okay? So at the 8 key current user, we are going to expand software, okay? And then we scroll down, and then we expand Microsoft. So we scroll down to Windows, and then we expand Windows, okay? And then we expand current version, okay? So at the current version, we are going to expand Explorer. Okay, so at the Explorer, we are going to click on Advanced. So at the Advanced, we are going to create a D word, okay, in the Advanced, okay. So let me expand this. So I'm going to right click, and then I'll go to New, and then I'll click on D word 32-bit value, okay. So now at the D word, we are going to enter this at the D word, okay, start underscore track procs, okay, for programs, okay. Then I'll click on enter, and then I'll set another D word, okay. I'll right click and go to new, then I'll go to D word, then I'll type start underscore track docs, okay, for documents. Then I'll click on enter. So now I'm going to double click on the start underscore track docs, and then I'll leave that value at 0, okay. Then I'll double click on the start underscore track programs, then I'll leave the value at 0, okay. So when I close if I close the registry and I do the restart of the PC, it's going to take effect as in the normal mode, okay. So this is how to turn off recent files in File Explorer for privacy, okay. If you find value in this video, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.